Peace, peace, peace. It's Mama Mystic representing www.altercreations.net coming to you with how to revive your cinnamon broomstick. I had an old broomstick from last year that I didn't want to throw away, so I really didn't know what to do with it. So I decided to revive it and show you guys how I did it. I have my cinnamon broomstick, my scissors, plastic bag, my cinnamon broomstick oil. You can also use cinnamon essential oil. I will post a link down in the description where you can purchase my cinnamon broomstick oil. Cinnamon broomstick attracts success, brings in money and income, brings and keeps love in the home, gives the home a wonderful scent of cinnamon, protection of the home, and increases the spiritual mood. So I'm going to revive my broomstick by cutting off the twigs that have fell out and putting my intentions into it as I'm doing that. Now the broomstick is actually made out of pine straw and cinnamon essential oil. Pine actually attracts love, money, and aids in protection. Cinnamon attracts money and love, helps with success, and aids in protection. You can hang it over your doorway in front door, or like on your front door, hang it by your door, hang it in your front room, anywhere where your entrance is, because you want to bring that in, you want to attract those things. Doing this was very therapeutic for me. It allowed me to take my time and add my intentions clearly. I got my broomstick from Trader Joe's. I know they also sell them at Kroger and probably any local farmer's market or supermarket. And if they don't, hit me up and I can definitely get you one. So now that that's done, I'm going to take a little bit of Florida water and rub it down the broomstick just to give a little extra cleansing. Then I'm going to take my cinnamon broomstick oil and spray it down. Sprayed it down, I am going to stick it in the plastic bag and spray more. Like, I sprayed it down a lot, pretty much until the plastic bag was dripping with cinnamon broomstick oil. I tied it up in the plastic bag for about 48 hours, and then once I took it out, it had the home smelling amazing. I also have taken my cinnamon broomstick and cleansed the hard to reach places in my home to help clear up negative energy or stagnant energy, and also just help spread that energy from the broomstick around. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that like button. Follow me on Instagram, mama_mystic911. Also, if you have any questions on the cinnamon broomstick or my cinnamon broomstick oil, hit me up in the DMs or send me an email.